Ga kugeithia na ngai kunyita ugeni na njira ya mwanya muno umiroreri twa Muthingi TV guku ari Muthingi TV Gikunjuro kia mohoro naguo muthi ari ho wa gatano wa kiumia giki ngai kunyita ugeni niguo ngikumenyithia uria bururi uragithie na mbere na kwigariura umuthi kundu gutiganite na ituri ngurani kaunti-ini ciothe 47 guku bururi-ini. Nie ngikwamukira aria kwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi. Maya magagikira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ni live transmission television-ini yaku ni Signet free to air nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV. Na tukianjiria na maria tugikuhaririirie ni ati mutongoria bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni arikitie gwikinya bururi-ini turigaine wa Uganda na ni kigomano-ini kia urumwe wa Igad kia 42. Kigomano giki gitanyitwo ko makiaririria hamwe kana makiaririria uria mabururi mathayu wa mabururi maria mari rungu rwa urumwe uyu ogwata makinya maria matacukitio na mangitacukio hari kwarahura mabururi maya kumana na maruru ma COVID-19. Ni kigomano kirehete atongoria ngurani aria kana a mabururi maria mari rungu rwa urumwe uyu.
We convene today under a sense of urgency as our region grapples with challenging times, be it the divisive conflict in our sister nation, Sudan, or the recent developments in relations with Somalia and Ethiopia. These challenges necessitate bold leadership, unwavering commitments, and a shared vision that transcends borders and ideologies. As you all know, today's summit was convened at the request of the Federal Republic of Somalia. This demand arose in response to the recent signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Democratic and Federal Republic of Ethiopia and Somaliland. As you are all aware, has always provided us with the unique opportunity to collectively engage the deliberations on each and every disturbing development arising in our region and have an open and constructive dialogue on challenging issues that matter most of our nations and peoples.
Igane na icio tukirongoreria ciegie mbokirira gatagati ga thirikari na magoti na ni ati kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini LSK nigithiete na mbere kana nikionekete gukirira na njira nene miario iria ikiendekithitio gatagati ga thirikari na ruhonge rwa magoti. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa kiama giki kaunti-ini ya Kilifi oikaine ta Conrad Atiang nionekanite gukirira na njira nene miario ino akiuga ati ruhonge rwa magoti ti rwa guthaithanirwo maya mokete tu thiku nini thutha wa President William Ruto na atongoria angi anene thirikari ni kuoneka makiaga gukinyukithia ruhonge rwa magoti makiuga ati ni rugomeirwo ni ungumania.
We want to discourage this form of dialogue that is being called by the Chief Justice and the President of the Republic and say that as a society we do not appreciate a negotiation of judicial functions. As a society, we say that the law exists to administer judicial function, and we encourage both the Chief Justice and the judges that work under the judiciary to follow the law, and when they so do, the Law Society will support them. I want to say this, that as a society and as a branch, we continue to condemn the systematic attacks by the executive and the legislature on the judiciary and the performance of judicial function by judges. We want to remind the executive and the president in particular and the members of the legislature that allied to that regime that the conduct and their intention to casually treat court orders the way they do is risking us rendering the republic into a state of lawlessness and a state of anarchy. And we remind them that the proper function and effectiveness of both the executive and parliament require an effective, functional, and independent judiciary. We must, as Kenyans, appreciate the uniqueness of the role of the judiciary in the governance of our republic, and let the executive not forget that the judicial authority, just like that of the executive and that of parliament, is derived from the people of the Republic of Kenya, and that all judicial functions are executed in accordance with the Constitution.
Ya kaunti-ini ya Pokot ya ithũĩro na nĩ atĩ mũndũrũme ũmwe wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 45 nĩ arigĩrĩirio ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kapenguria na nĩ kũrũmĩrĩra kana etereire gũgakinyio igoti-inĩ kũrĩ mũthĩ wa mwambĩrĩrio wa kiumia gĩũkĩte nĩ thutha wake gũkuruhanio na kũhahama ciana ciake igĩrĩ iria nĩ cia ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 6 na mĩaka 9. Erikanĩte gũtabania gĩko gĩkĩ thutha wake gũkorwo magĩtigana na mũtumia wake ũrĩa nĩwe nyina wa ciana ici. Rĩu ciana ici igĩthiĩ na mbere gũthaitĩrwo mũciĩ-inĩ wa kũhonokia ciana wa Jitokeze tauni-inĩ ya Kapenguria.
Nafanya kazi na shirika linaitwa CCGD. Mimi pia ni mwanaharakati ambaye anang'ang'ana kwa ajili ya haki za watoto hapa Pokot. Juzi nilipoangalia asubuhi nikaona wamepost picha ya watoto pamoja kuna mama na wamepost ati kuna mtu kuna baba amedefile watoto wake wawili. Kwa bahati mzuri tulikuwa tumefanya kazi pamoja na OCS wa Lomut, Mr. Clement. So niko na namba yake, nikachukua namba nikapigia Mr. Clement OCS Lomut. Nikamuuliza kama kuna kesi amepokea defilement. Akaniambia in fact I'm handling the case right now. So nikamuuliza the case, akaniambia it is true, kuna kesi ya watoto wawili walifanywa defilement na their father. Na akaniambia, so nikamuuliza, nikataka kujua hiyo process imefikia wapi. Akaniambia bahati mzuri the perpetrator ameshikwa, that is the dad. Na mama akaongea kwa huzuni sana, akaniambia kweli kama
tumekugenyagia tuhiuke kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na nĩ atĩ nĩ gũgĩtumũkĩte gĩcanjama ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya kĩama ciri gũkũ nĩ mwea kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga na nĩ thutha wa mwonjoria ũmwe Andrew Ngirici hamwe na aikari kũhithũkĩra ceceni ĩno ya borithi makĩenda kũmenya anja ya gĩtũmi gĩa kuongerereka kwa ũhahami wa mĩgũnda ya mũingĩ. Kũringana nao maugĩte atĩ kũrĩ na maabitha anene a borithi mwena ũyũ maikoretwo makĩingĩrania na ungumania na kũnyitanĩra na arĩa maragĩkorwo magĩtahĩra mĩgũnda yene.
Tondu dana report kesi yakwa ya mugunda wakwa ukoragwo makutano. Mugunda ndagurire 2016 ngenderio ni anake eri ngicoka ugioka mundu agiaka akiuga anenderio nake ngioka ngeripoti mata guko borithi gugucira guko borithi na ngikora OCPD and he was very cooperative agithikiriria na kindu makwa DCIO. Njukite guku maita makiria maita mugwanja ngiandika statement na ndandika statement andu acio magitwo na magituika mena mahitia ni kwendia mugunda maiteri na ngithi mugunda wakwa na ngithi ngicokia ngiti na ngikira iriga na gugatuika andu acio mathitango matwaro igoti-ini. Muthigari ora investigate ka kesi akinjita last week akinjira andu acio megutwaro igoti-ini tondu mugunda ndagurite 2016 na ucio arakiri mugunda wake agurire 2022 no atekira advantage de siasa-ini agoka kanyita na DCIO mukora aba kia masiri aretwo to oigano sema thitango DCIO mukora akathia kandika fairo akuga sirete criminal ni civil agacoka kuga ngirese ya thitango ni na mabetia na mugunda ni wakwa nikio ndo mamuranga rya njirirwo guo ndoka kumenya atiriri angikorwo mundu tani na maundu mothe memetha iguru na mugunda ni wakwa DCIO no mabote gwika okora kuri andiri nake mwana inchi wa kawaida angithie ku tukwariria Kirinyaga tukwariria boro wa mundu umwe tukwariria Kirinyaga na amenye Kirinyaga uti mugunda ungie kuiya na gutinde go support ya iringe guku na kiwa uteko tukumutwara tutafanya maandamano na si leo hata kesho ikihitajika nitakuja hapa na nije takwandu na nitakuja mara 12.
Tume kaunti ya Kirinyaga tuhiuke nginya kaunti-ini ya Embu na nĩ atĩ arutwo kuma mĩciĩ ĩrĩa ĩtehotete kĩmbeca kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Embu nĩ maremetwo kũhitha gĩkeno kĩao na nĩ thutha wa gũkorwo magĩkinyĩrio ũteithio wa ũrũgamĩrĩri wa mathomo, mũbango ũrĩa ũkinyanĩirio nĩ bengi ya KCB. Aingĩ a arutwo aya nĩ arĩa maumĩte gĩcigo kĩa mbere arĩ nĩ kĩmwe kĩa icigo iria citamũkagĩra mbura ya kũigana. Kũringana na aciari arĩa marĩtie hĩndĩ ya mĩhang'o ĩno, nĩ maugĩte atĩ marakĩrĩ ona itanya rĩa gũtwara ciana ciao cukuru cia gũtinda iria ikĩrĩ hakuhĩ na gũkũ, no ĩndĩ makagathĩrĩria bengi ĩno nĩ kũmakinyĩria ũteithio ũyũ.
My name is Patricia Ndugu, the branch manager, Embu. Today we are delighted to be here to flag off 2024 students, KCB Foundation sponsored. We are happy to have all the students that are going to high school this week and next week. It is a great time for KCB to come back to the community. It is a thing that KCB has been doing, and we've empowered the community, and especially the young ones who have dreams to achieve, but they don't have the ability because of the challenges that they have.
I'm the Chief Officer in the Department of Education, ECDA, and today we are gathered here because we came to witness a function that the KCB was flagging off the second batch of students who are going to various secondary schools in our country.
Kwa ajili ya KCB, in fact mimi nilikuwa nimefika mwisho after mtoto alipita mtihani juu sikuwa na hope. Hata yeye nikaona amepatwa na stress kidogo, lakini niliomba tu na ninajua Mungu ashajibu maombi yangu kupitia vile KCB wameconsider mtoto wangu kumpea scholarship. So chenye naweza sema ni kushukuru tu Mungu kwa ajili ya KCB kwa vile wameonelea kusaidia watoto ambao wametoka from vulnerable families. Mungu awabariki sana na KCB ishi miaka mingi.
Mzigo mzito, mtoto akiwa ameitwa national school. Nikashindwa kutaenda namna gani, sina pesa. Ni sawa sina pesa, nimeomba Mungu, lakini cha maana nimeona na nimeshukuru Mungu sana ni kwamba KCB imekuja kuniokoa vile imeokoa wazazi wengine.
I'm happy nimekuwa sponsored by KCB. Niliona my dreams at first zimedidimia, sikuwa naona kama I can achieve my dreams. Niliona masomo yangu imefika mwisho, so I was not sure kama ningeendelea na study. But I'm happy since KCB has given me a chance, a second chance to continue with my study.
Otio egi urugamiriri wa mathomo kuma kaunti ya Embu igagituhe mweke tuikorwo tugikiria oro hanini gaikoririkania githii na mbere na kwaraniria nani kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria Facebook ni @muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV, ona ngikihũthĩra account yakwa ya Facebook @murugijobu. Ukirikiria ndomereri yako ukijira uragitwirorera na uragitwamukira wi mwena uriku ningwikorwo ngitagũgũtambũra ngigikiria oro hanini ndugathi kuraihu ni ndiracokereria.
Waigwa firidi ya huho kamenya ni hĩndĩ twĩ ona wa Max tũgũtwara nginya iharo-inĩ atũkũmenyithia ciĩgiĩ athaki mĩthako nondano na maumĩrĩra ma mbĩtĩka cia kaĩ gwĩthambĩra mahenya cricket hockey gonya na ingĩ nyingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa bũrũri. Nyitanagĩra na nĩ That Sports Girl wa Boy wa Njaũ o Juma wona cianda wega thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ atabarĩire ya metameta cia mathako gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV.
Kuma mutongoria uria munene wa bururi uka ginyagia hau hakuja. Wanjiku ni kurira ararira woyi wakwa
ko ni kurio hakwa ni no nyende maandamano mambie rucio tondu thirikari no ni tuhinyiririe haria tukinyite
ati acio me ofisi-ini cia ubunge na kuria kungi ti aria twacagurire acio nio meheire mandate
ikae thirikari iratwendera atia.
It is my duty and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya to pay their share of taxes.
There are a number of proposed tax measures will have significant negative impact on taxpayers.
Kiuria gia kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire ikionekana gwakiriria o gwakia.
Kuma riria ndeto cia ugikuyu ciokire bururi uyu noguo njohira ingihire kuma kuri anake a Gikuyu.
Hihi murugamo wa thirikari ni uriko?
If you want to remove our trousers and whippers on the buttock, go ahead. We don't have the money.
Wege na urumwe wa Mugikuyu ugatuika niyo ndama ateti megwateire.
We are where we are today it is because of Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ihinda ni ikinyu twarie maria matukonie ithui nyumba ya Mobi.
Riu ndiye gutari na minwe maandamano maria mareho ri papa wa nyuka waniri gutiri mundu aravu
nyitanira na Kariuki wa Ndwati akiunanira Njong'wa na ateti o hamwe na atongoria makirunga ici. Ni o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tukigereka gabiru utongoria wa bururi tabarĩra-inĩ ya kuendete ya kurung'aigĩrĩ gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Na anga ikonyita ugani oro ringi ni twagicokeria na turagicokeria tuli kaunti-ini ya Pokot ya ithwiro na ni ati mwerekera-ini wa gukinyaniria utungata mwega wa urigitani oro ndumwe na kwambatiria ikero cia thibitari mwena uyu wa Kapenguria guku ni kaunti ya Pokot ya ithwiro. Riu thirikari ya kaunti ino ni kirekirie mithaiga ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 45 na iria inyagitio mathibitari makinya o igana rimwe ria 46. Munini wa governor kaunti-ini ino ni Robert Komore ni atariria ati riu gutikiri na masira ma wagi wa dawa mathibitari-ini kuona ni marumbuitio.
Ukiangalia hizi malori hii ni dawa ambazo zitawekwa hapa KCRH Kapenguria Referral Hospital na zingine zitaenda kwa dispensaries kule vijijini. Kwa hivyo ni dawa ambazo zitaweza kuwa kusustain hizo mazahanati zetu. Na mimi nashukuru pia waziri ambaye anaondoka na chief officer wake Nelly Sobrin kwa sababu wameweza kuhakikisha kwamba walikuamua hii idara ya afya kutoka mahali pabaya ambapo ilikuwa hapa awali na wameweza kuleta hii idara kuweza kuwa katika nambari nzuri katika Kenya mzima, kwa sababu nafikiri ilikuwa ni number 1 katika Kenya mzima. Lakini kwa ile serikali nyingine nafikiri hatukuwa tunaongelea mambo ya health kwa sababu ilikuwa ni pali pabaya. Watu wetu walikuwa wanaenda Trans Nzoia, walikuwa wanaenda Eldoret. Lakini waziri wetu na chief officer wake waliweza kuhakikisha kwamba wanajua ile kazi wanafanya na kuweza kufanya serikali hii ama governor wetu akuwe proud.
Dawa ambayo tumepokea leo ni ya hospitali 146 yenye kwa West Pokot County mzima, kuanzia Pokot South huko mpaka Pokot North. Facilities zote za serikali na moja ya faith based ile yenye hawako wanajiweza kununua dawa, pia tumewasupport kidogo, na our agreement nao ni ya kwamba hiyo dawa wasijaribu kuuza juu tumewapea bure na inafaa ifikie wananchi.
na ndikiwe wanagikorwo ukigwa ciegie uici kana hihi ukona aici magitabania uici kundu gutiganite na ndikiwe kana hihi wanakiyuria no ukorwo ukigwa ciiko cia uici kundu kumwe ta kundu tofuri-ini. Thikiriria riboti ya egie aici makoretwo magitabania ciiko cia uici na makiria ya mitharaba tofuri-ini mwena wa Sagana guku ari kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Kiriga gikiingira kuri muingi makiyuria hihi mitharaba ino niku iragikorwo igitwarwo. Aici aya magikoretwo magitabania uici wa mitharaba ya cuma na magatiga mitharaba ya mbao. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti ino igie ciuria cia muingi kuma kuri mwandiki witu ti Wangui wa Maina.
Aikari ya Sagana ya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga makoretwo magiteta nĩ ngero ya uici uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere guku kuria kuringana nao aici aya makoretwo makiya mitharaba iria ithondeketwo na cuma na gutiga ya mbao. Kuringana na Frederick Kafue uria ni muruti wa wira thibitari-ini wa St Mary augite tofuri-ini turia turi kuo ni tuiyitwo mitharaba na riu tofuri 40 ni tutari nayo.
Maritwa ni Frederick Kafue na abaturi ni kaburi-ini ya St Mary Sagana na ni kuri na uici wa mitharaba makilima mitharaba 40 ya cuma ni iyitwo na remariya tutiramenya maratwara ku na ule maroka tutwire ni undu utumakitie.
Haria Kafue arugamite ni aratuonereria tofuri turia tuothe twari na mitharaba no hindi tha ici ndiriho akiuga kuroka kwa rucini onake ni kuramuhe guoya.
Mutharaba-ini uria gwikoro kwa nginya kuria ino yothe ni athire na thutha wakwa kwari nengi nayo makiya na tani ngiruta wira kuo ta mundu murume undu ucio ni umakitie tondoka okiroko ngakora mitharaba ni miye.
Andu-ini hake Sister Teresia ni makoretwo magithika atumia akuru kuo kuma mwaka-ini wa 1974 na hau maundu ta maya kuhanika onao ni magegete muno makiria akiuga mitharaba muno yairwo hindi ya thiguku ya Christmas mwaka muhituku.
Siku moja tulienda shamba tuliona msalaba mzima. So tunafikiria nani anabeba hiyo msalaba, tumeandika jina na miaka kila kitu, tujue kila mtu wapi wameshika. Lakini wameiba msalaba once before, many years back. Tena wamefanya juicy before Christmas.
Kiuria kinene kiria aikari ya Kirinyaga oro ndumwe na urugamiriri wa thibitari wa St Mary's kiri kuria aria maroya mitharaba ino maratwara na riu makiuria ruhonge rwa ugacero oro ndumwe na maabitha borithi kuingirira ndeto ino.
Na twacokaniria ni twakorogeire tugiciria matiguka kuya na riu ongira kuna nafasi meiyete na ino atigarite tureciria no gukorwo nayo ni meguka kuia.
Andu-ini ha Muthingi TV nie njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.
kiratu tugikire kiarabana tugikire jazi tukiruga wantu moja nginyagia kuria iharo-ini nakuo tugiikie kabiro uria ciana ciatumira githii na mbere na kwigarikana ni ati timu itanyihiire 11 kuma kaunti ngurani guku bururi-ini nicio ciekinyitie tauni-ini ya Eldoret kiharo-ini kia Kipchoge Keino gukwari ni kaunti ya Trans Nzoia muoroto-ini ari wa gwetha kana kumatha tigiti ya ukanyita itemi bitika-ini cia mwaka wa 2024 cia Pahi Athletics Trial. Mutongoria wa bitika ici Ronald Mung'are augite ati akiri na mwihoko ati timu ino ni ikorwo ikiandikithia maumirira mega.
Twina field events ciothe, twina atengeri a mithemba yothe kuma mahenya makuhi na mahenya maraihu, na horo wa field events ta javelins, shot puts na discus twina cio thiini wa kiwanja. Uguo aria megukorwo me hakuhi ni twi ati muguthie na mbere na gukinyukaniria na ithue ni gukorwo turi aingi na turi okuo ni mugutuona tukiruta mawira macio. Tutingicokia thirikari mwena tuge ati ndirugamite na ithue. Thirikari ni ikoretwo igituhe mwihoko na ikirugama na ithue ro kinyagia hau tukinyetie, na ni twi ati ni tugukinyaniria nao oro hau tukinyete, ni tondu ni matwirite na magatuhe mwihoko ati twikire mwihoko hari thirikari o ta makimenyaga ati nimekurugama na ithu kinya ndagika ya mwisho tondu ona hau magitukia.
Hizi trials zita attract more than 300 athletes. So far 11 counties zimeshawasili, ikiwapo the host who was Ngishu, Nairobi, Embu, Narok, Bomet, Kericho, Nandi na Samburu. So tuna expect counties zingine kama 6. So in total tuna expect karibu county 18, 19 na over 300 athletes ambao watashiriki kwa track and field events.
Minista wa mathako guku bururi-ini Ababu na Mwamba nieranĩire kurikio gwa kiharo kia Buhungu mbere ya mbitika cia CHAN cia mwaka uyu. Mari mucemanio na governor county ya Kakamega ni Fernandes Baraza, na Mwamba augite ati thirikari nene hamwe na thirikari ya county ni makunyitanira hari kurikia waki uyu kuria makuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.4.
County government of Kakamega is collaborating with the national government to ensure that the construction of Buhungu Stadium is ready to host CHAN competitions this year, and of course also in preparation for African Cup of Nations 2027. So the officials from the Ministry of Sports have come this morning with our technical teams to inspect the stadium so that we can see the areas which the national government can also partner with us in order to at least make this stadium ready for hosting CHAN. So this is a collaboration effort that we have been talking about, and we are going to work very closely with the national government to ensure that this stadium is completed, and of course going forward is going to be now the center of sporting events in the Western region. So karibu.
We are delighted to be in Kakamega, Kakamega town, Kakamega county, and to be standing in what I consider to be a shrine or a cathedral of football. That is what Buhungu Stadium is. Buhungu is a famous ground synonymous with the history of football in Kenya. This has been home to some of the greatest footballing talents ever seen in Kenya. And our delight is that the national government is working closely with the county government here, led by His Excellency Fernandes Baraza, governor of this great county. And our collaboration is about completing Buhungu Stadium to international status. We have made this clear before that this stadium is important in the general frame or the general ecosystem of sports in the country. We have seen the incredible potential that this stadium bears in hosting significant events. We were here for the school ball games last year, which really scaled heights never seen before in school sporting activities. We brought here the Sekafa Under 18 tournament, co-hosted by Kakamega and Kisumu City. And again, we saw a level of capability and potential not seen in many parts of this country. And therefore, Buhungu Stadium and Kakamega as a county have proven that they have what it takes to be good hosts, fantastic hosts actually, for big events, big tournaments. I really want to applaud Governor Baraza and his government with the spirit they have adopted in the leadership of this county, of recognizing that the Constitution expects national and county governments to work together in the service of the people. And that is exactly what we are doing, to work together, to collaborate, to serve the people of Kakamega County alongside the people of Kenya. It would be remiss of me if I did not acknowledge the people of Kakamega and the passion they bring to football and sports generally. The number of fans that grace this shrine of football is incredible, something that you don't see in any other part of Kenya. And we want really to finish Buhungu and make it a natural home.
Riboti iyo igie Ababu na Mwamba akiranira kurikio kwa kiharo kia Buhungu igagitwikira gaturumo ka mohoro maitu Gikunjuro kia mohoro ngatho cia mwanya muno ni gugitikira kunyitanira na nie njitikiria giko ngithoma ndomereri imwe ya mundu gututikaire tugakina ngofu gakiuga ati mitire kina ngofu twi hamwe muno ngeithire mundu gututi Njoki wa Johana me mitire kina ngofu na family yothe ya Muigai wa Kiarie me Bogiti ucio niwe ambassador kana niwe barothi aria magiukira kugera mutambo witũ wa Facebook muthenya wa umuthi ngatho cia mwanya muno ni gugitikira kunyitanira nani ona oria othe maikinyaniria mutamburuko uyu wa Gikunjuro kia mohoro gakwendithĩria mahinda mega ni tugicemania ria cigikihanda thaa imwe cia hwaini ni ria kwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi.